difficult to believe that anybody can love you more than a dog.
They shower you with as much love and affection.
dog?
They will come and make biscuits on your leg.
What do you mean by biscuits on you? Yeah.
So it's called making biscuits. They do that when they think of you as its parent.
Oh, really?
Do you know that the British Navy used to actually hire cats
for their ships?
They would have iCards that said, Chief Mouser or something.
Mouse catcher.
Yes. Kittens, in fact, can be litter trained as young as 3 weeks.
Cats are so smart.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Happy Podcast, the ultimate destination for all things that make pets and their humans happy. I'm your host, Sonali Bendre, and this is Icy Behel. And on this show, we will talk about everything that contributes to the joyous coexistence of pets and their beloved humans. Am I your beloved Icy? Icy? I'm only Icy's beloved when she gets a treat, I think. Here. Isa. Ice. Okay, don't. Saw that? Today we are diving into crucial topics that are particularly relevant for our listeners in India. We'll be discussing the pet adoption process, the vital role of rescue operations, and the importance of pet insurance. Very important topics. These topics are essential for anyone considering bringing a new pet into their home or looking to provide the best care for their current furry friend. Joining us is Rita Bhattacharjee. She's a freelance writer, a pet care entrepreneur, a community animal caregiver, and a parent to 7 cats and 2 dogs, guys. That's a lot. She trained in HR and worked as a trainer and teacher for several years before deciding to follow her twin passions of writing and animal welfare. Once again, before we go ahead, I have a question for you. Mm-hmm. Who is easier to train? Humans or animals?
Oh, animals, of course, any day of the week.
True pet lover. She also runs a cat boarding in Pune and a pet pampering holiday home in Konkan.
So the idea is that pet parents like you and me, we should be able to take our pets for vacations where they enjoy as much as we do. So that's why we started this. So we have a catio there with cat tree, toys. We have a dog play area there.
This is beautiful because it's nature.
Yeah, absolutely. We have a sand pit. We have a splash pool.
Wow.
So dogs can enjoy themselves, and there's a whole big catio for the cats to enjoy. So whether
what happens when dogs and cats come together?
It's adjacent, so they can watch each other play as well. That's
Some dogs are friendly.
Yeah.
Icy is like, she goes after the cats. It's like, I want to catch one, and the cats are too smart for her.
So they're secure in the catio, so they'll probably sit there and, stare down at her.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's what mine do at my dogs when they get too excited.
Rita grew up in a household full of rescued animals, learning to love and care for them from an early age. As an adult, she initially became involved in animal welfare after rescuing 4 kittens, which are now part of her large furry family of adopted Indies. For many years now, she has been actively feeding community animals, rescuing them, and getting them sterilized and vaccinated. She has also been working to spread awareness about the importance of human-animal harmonious coexistence. That is a challenge, especially in the metros and the cities, and as everything grows more and more and open spaces are becoming less and less, and that's
absolutely.
Along with her husband and a few like-minded friends, Rita is the founder of an NGO called Corporate. I like that, like our Happy Podcast.
Absolutely, same.
Corporate, as the name suggests, works with dogs who live within restricted locations like business parks, SEZs, etc. Through Corporate, Rita aims to give a better life and to reduce human-animal conflict in such places while continuing to help them as an individual as well. Okay, so Rita, what I want to know from you is कि potential pet owners जो हैं, जो सोच रहे हैं कि हमें pet लाना है घर पे, इंडिया में ये करने का क्या रिस्क है, उसके क्या लॉज हैं, किन चीज़ों के बारे में उनको सोचना चाहिए?
कोई भी अगर सोच रहा है कि आई वांट टू गेट अ कैट और अ डॉग, they have to think ki, do I have the space for it? So many people will live in flats in the cities.
Correct.
And then agar humko lagta hai ki we want to get a Great Dane. So that's really not a right
Fair.
place, right?
But
Of
आपके पास
course.
बड़ा घर है और
Exactly.
जगह है तो you can.
Exactly. So that is definitely one thing they have to think. दूसरा ये सोचना चाहिए उनको कि finances.
Oh,
कि-
very important.
Yes. कि how much can I afford to spend to care for my pet?
इस सेम वे जैसे आप बच्चों के
Exactly.
पहले आप सोचते हो कि अगर आपका बच्चा होने वाला है तो आपको क्या सेविंग्स करनी है,
Correct.
आपकी क्या ज़रूरतें होंगी, तो आपको वही सोचना चाहिए पेट लाने से पहले,
Exactly.
क्योंकि वो आपकी जिम्मेदारी है.
Exactly.
जैसे बच्चा आपकी जिम्मेदारी है वैसा वो पेट अब आपकी जिम्मेदारी है.
बिल्कुल. एक और चीज उनको ये सोचना चाहिए कि वेटरनरी केयर, जैसे अब बच्चों के लिए भी सोचते हैं कि पीडियाट्रिशियन अच्छा कहाँ पे मिलेगा, स्कूल अच्छा कहाँ पे मिलेगा.
जी.
पेट्स के लिए ऑफ कोर्स स्कूल कॉलेज नहीं सोचना पड़ता
लेकिन
है,
आप
but-
ट्रेनर्स के बारे में सोच
Yes.
सकते हैं.
जैसे आप बच्चे के लिए सोचते हो ना, द सेम काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आपको सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि इट्स नॉट अ टॉय. अ पेट इज अ लिविंग
Absolutely.
बीइंग, इट्स अ कमिटमेंट. कैट हो, डॉग हो, इट्स अ 10 to 15 year कमिटमेंट.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कि आज लेके आ गए कल वापस छोड़ दिया. अगर वैसे आप लाना चाहते हो, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए लाना चाहते हो, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप सोचो.
सिर्फ सोच के नहीं हो सकता. तो
Correct.
ऐसी कोई जगह है जहाँ पे मे बी आप पहले ट्राई करो कि जाके डे बोर्डिंग में या शेल्टर्स में जाके वीकेंड्स पे जाके ट्राई करो कि डू यू लाइक इट, ऐसा कुछ आप
हाँ,
suggest करती
definitely.
हैं?
One starting point, of course, is doing the research. What is the life of a dog like? कि उसका रूटीन कैसा होना चाहिए, उसकी
Right.
बिहेवियर कैसा होता है, सो what kind of interaction you need to have with the dog, कैसा socialization चाहिए. Then like you said कि some boardings may not have that option, but अगर किसी के पास है, there's always the great option of fostering.
What do you mean fostering कैसे कर सकते?
Rescue puppies or injured dogs or any kind of dog who needs help.
Correct.
जैसे अभी लास्ट 2 दिन इतना बारिश हो रहा था, so many animals were drenched and they were lost also.
Yeah.
खो गए कहाँ पे, and they were rescued by the rescue groups.
Right.
उनको रखने की जगह चाहिए, टेम्पररीली हो, उनको देखने के लिए कोई चाहिए कि उसको प्रॉपर केयर करेगा, उनको डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाएगा. सो फॉस्टरिंग इज ऑलवेज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन टू लर्न अबाउट केयरिंग फॉर एन एनिमल.
जहाँ पे आप एक अच्छी बात भी कर रहे हो, एक नीडी जानवर को आप हेल्प कर रहे हो.
बिल्कुल.
गुड आइडिया.
लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स व्हाट वी सी इज कि जब किटन्स या पपीज को कोई फॉस्टर करता है, दे गेट सो अटैच्ड कि वो खुद ही like I'm one of those people, unfortunately or fortunately. Most of my kittens and puppies are all my foster fails, so to say. कि मैं लेके आई कि फॉस्टर करके अडॉप्शन पे देना है, अडॉप्शन पे नहीं गए, मेरे ही पास रह गए.
तो आपका जो बोर्डिंग है,
हाँ.
पेट बोर्डिंग है, वहाँ पे आप ऐसे आपके पास फॉस्टरिंग के लिए भी आते हैं लोग?
आते हैं.
What would your suggestion be? I mean, what is better? Like, you know, getting a pet, like adopt one or, kind of, I won't call it buy one, but
Yeah.
you kind of,
But it is buying, right?
Yeah.
You're paying somebody to bring a living being
Yeah.
home. See, personally, I would always recommend that you adopt. The latest official statistics is that there are 8 crore stray animals in this country, cats and dogs.
Okay.
So that's a huge, huge number. And a large number of those are because of abandoned pets. And because abandoned pets then mate with the local stray dogs and then they
Right.
reproduce. I would always say that instead of buying an animal, you adopt one from the streets.
Right.
There are so many cats and dogs which are mixed breeds, and they are just as cute and just as smart.
I
as
agree,
the
they're very
pedigree.
cute. But there are
Yes.
times also that, इतना bandwidth होना चाहिए कि क्योंकि जब आप adopt करते हो, तो you don't know कि what trauma that animal has been through.
So this
like
is
I
where-
remember when I got IC and I had just had my son was really young and I was very clear that I wanted a pet which was emotionally would give and my child will fall in love with having animals around and the giving part of it, and rather than having to deal with, because there are a lot of times when they come with their own issues.
Correct.
As a new mother, I didn't have the bandwidth to deal with that. So it was very clear I wanted that.
So this is where the rescue organizations can play a huge role.
How is that?
Okay,
I didn't
so-
know this. This is a very, very interesting
So what
thing.
happens is when they're rescuing an animal and they're fostering the animal, they get to know the temperament of the animal. So the rescued animal could in fact even be a lab.
Right.
You wouldn't believe how many labs we've recently rescued. Labs, boxers, huskies, all kinds of pedigreed animals. They of course have the temperament that these breeds to have. But even with the trauma, sometimes their behavior changes. So the rescue organizations know the dog.
Right.
They can tell you that, okay, if this is the kind of dog you're looking for, then this is the right dog for you.
My brother stays in Netherlands, okay? He rescued adoption. That's the thing. Both my bhabhi and him are very clear that they are pet parents, and that's what they do not. They're like, इस दुनिया में हमको और बच्चे नहीं लाने हैं. We are happy with pet parents. That's the kind of people they are. So first one was a beautiful, like a chocolate lab. Ooh, Mishka, she's growing older now. The next one that when he got was a beautiful rescued pup. When they got the pup home and as they started taking the pup out, and udhar to parks hai, ways hai. What happened was every time the puppy would see children playing with a ball, the puppy would freak out so much. और फिर डर ये होता है कि अगर by any chance काट लिया तो then legal issues and all of that comes in, and they just couldn't understand what was happening. और फिर पता चला कि वो रेस्क्यू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहाँ से लाया था वहाँ पे वो लिखना ये रह गया था कि द पप हैड बीन व्हेन, जहाँ से कोई एली में से जहाँ से रेस्क्यू किया था वहाँ पे शायद कुछ बच्चों ने बॉल मार के वो पपी को ट्रॉमेटाइज किया था. एंड इट वॉज सो डिफिकल्ट एंड chaotic. They found a lovely farm and the puppy is doing really well now there. लेकिन वो जो grief था उनका, because they had got attached और उसको फिर देना, ये जो situation है, and to go through that trauma at that time was very very difficult. तो अगर आपको ठीक से डिटेल नहीं दिया जाता है तो फिर क्या करें?
So that is why you need to
कितना बड़ा रिस्क
adopt
है?
from genuine rescue organizations.
तो how do you understand कि कौन सी rescue organization genuine है? उनका कोई certification होता है?
हाँ, so if they're registered NGOs, they would have their registration numbers. One of the biggest things to look out for whenever you're adopting from a rescue organization is their online presence.
Okay.
So when an organization, whether it's a volunteer group or a registered NGO, if they're working with the animals regularly, they do post a lot about their work.
लेकिन कुछ checks and balances होते हैं rescue organizations की.
Community involvement important होता है कि जैसे आप अगर
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, so many local communities have their own animal pet parent groups or animal rescue groups. तो अगर आप किसी को जानते हो जो उस ग्रुप का मेंबर है या फिर आप खुद उस ग्रुप के मेंबर, एज अ पेट पेरेंट यू माइट बी अ मेंबर ऑफ दैट ग्रुप, राइट? तो तब आपको पता होता है कि सच एंड सच पर्सन इज अ जेन्युइन एनिमल लवर, कि दैट पर्सन इज जेन्युइनली वर्किंग. सो आप उनको पूछ सकते हो जेन्युइन है. सो दैट वर्ड ऑफ माउथ,
फिर I have an idea.
कम्युनिटी रिलेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस.
Okay, I have an idea when you said community. या तो फिर आप हमारे पॉडकास्ट को फॉलो कर सकते हैं, एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो हम यहाँ पे बुलाते हैं, वी डू वेट देम, एंड हम उतना बैकग्राउंड चेक करते हैं और उन्हीं को लाते हैं. सो दैट कुड बी अ ग्रेट वे ऑफ फाइंडिंग आउट कि कौन जेन्युइन है.
करेक्ट. वन मोर थिंग दैट is very important. जो genuine organization होगा ना rescue का, they will perform certain checks before letting you adopt the cat or dog. So they will come to your house and check. They will counsel you properly.
Right.
In general कि cat or dog अगर आप जो भी पाल रहे हो, what are the things you need to do as a pet parent for them?
जब आप पेट घर लाते हो, अडॉप्ट करते हो, वो आके चेक करके जाते हैं, आपको काउंसिल करते हैं. लेकिन कई बार जेन्युइनली, मतलब जब हमें बच्चा भी होता है तो उसके बाद में ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी हमारा काउंसलिंग हो गया तो सब सॉर्टेड है. क्योंकि व्हेन यू एक्चुअली हैव द चाइल्ड, नई चीज़ें, नए सवाल उठ सकते हैं. हाउ मच डू रेस्क्यू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वॉलंटियर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हेल्प यू इन द लेटर पार्ट ऑल्सो?
As long as possible, they will handhold you and help you with the transition.
Okay.
तो जैसे बेसिक ट्रेनिंग दे ऑलवेज ट्राई टू गिव कि कैट हो गया तो लिटर ट्रेनिंग, डॉग हो गया तो टॉयलेट ट्रेनिंग कैसे होता है, बेसिक ओबीडियंस ट्रेनिंग डॉग्स के लिए.
सो लेकिन आप एकदम छोटे पपी को अगर अडॉप्ट करते हो तो कैसे कर सकते हैं?
इफ यू आर अडॉप्टिंग से स्लाइटली ओल्डर पपी,
हाँ, तो वो
3 months
ट्रेन
or
हो
4
सकते
months.
हैं.
Kittens in fact can be litter trained as young as like 3 weeks.
Cats are so smart.
Yeah, so to the best of their ability they'll guide you कि अच्छा आप ये करो, या फिर this is a good vet in your area, आप इनके पास लेके जाओ.
Right.
और they'll provide you resources कि this is a trainer who can help you.
Okay.
आप इनके पास लेके जाओ, और any other kind of resources they will keep providing until you are settled.
Okay.
But आपका intention genuine होना चाहिए. Take a pet home thinking it will be a lot of fun, then adjustment period होता है. See, when you take a baby home who is not like It's a baby who's being
Oh my
taken away
God.
from its mother or
Sleepless
taken
nights,
from
feeding issues.
An adopted animal takes 3 days to decompress, 3 weeks to learn your routine, and 3 months to bring itself into that routine.
4-month minimum process.
3 to 4 month process. You have to be patient and give that baby time to adjust.
फिर अगर 4-6 महीने हो जाए और फिर भी अगर वो पेट एडजस्ट नहीं करे,
हाँ.
तब आप कुछ सोच सकते हो.
Exactly.
लेकिन
क्यों
4 से
नहीं
6
हो रहा
महीने
है?
आपको देने चाहिए.
See, some things are very common with dogs or cats, regardless of कहाँ से ला रहे हैं. Furniture chewing. It's a very
तो
common
टीदिंग
thing.
प्रोसेस है.
Exactly. Even apart from that, उनको कभी बदमाशी भी करते हैं. So,
हाँ.
like I have 2 dogs, right?
हाँ.
So when we got Freya, she was very young.
हाँ.
So उसका teething चालू हुआ. She started chewing up all my furniture. By the time she stopped doing that, we got Fenrir home.
हाँ.
So we didn't even change the furniture. कभी तो वापस से होना ही है, right?
आपने एक मेंशन किया कि बिगनिंग द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कि फाइनेंसेस भी आप सोचो उसके
Correct.
बारे में एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो पेट इंश्योरेंस इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग और उसके बारे में बहुत कम लोगों को पता है. मतलब मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता है.
So pet insurance is like medical insurance for your pets with some additional things that they cover.
व्हाट आर द एडिशनल?
Okay, let me talk about the medical part of it
Okay.
first. Surgery is one of the common things they cover.
Okay.
Then lot of these pet insurance policies these days cover vet visits and medications.
Oh really?
Yeah, so it's a new thing that they've started covering.
Okay.
Apart from the medical part of it, some of them also cover biting incidents. So sometimes what happens is accidentally bite हो गया, कुछ हो गया, and you may be required by law to pay a penalty.
लाइक कार एक्सीडेंट इंश्योरेंस जैसे होता है
Correct.
उस तरह से.
Exactly. A few of them have also started covering prosthetics like wheelchairs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that is also something that is not very common in our country. Paralyzed हो जाते हैं बच्चे.
Yeah.
A lot of the times they have to be put down because
Yeah.
there's no option for
Option.
giving them a good quality of life.
Right.
So now some organizations have started manufacturing wheelchairs and other prosthetics for
Right.
them. And when
You know, that's such wonderful news कि ये हमें
Yeah.
नहीं तो हर चीज हमको अब्रॉड से लानी पड़ती थी
Exactly.
पहले. It's amazing to hear this.
कभी कभी हमारे पास फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट्स रहते हैं.
जी.
So then pet insurance which covers these things can be a huge help.
कई बार सिर्फ वेट विजिट्स नहीं होते हैं, कई बार फिजियोथेरेपी होती है, स्पेशली ओल्डर डॉग्स. जैसे अब आईसी 10 साल की है और वो शुरुआत हो चुकी है जहाँ पे कभी कभी जब वो थक जाती है, हिप दर्द कर रहा है, तो फिजियोथेरेपी एंड ऑल बहुत इट्स एक्सपेंसिव.
It is.
तो क्या ये जो पेट इंश्योरेंस है फिजियोथेरेपी वगैरह भी या क्या क्या?
Depends on the specific policy. Like there is no policy, like single policy नहीं होता है.
Okay.
Just like human medical policies होते हैं ना, आपके राइडर्स होते हैं,
जी,
फिर
जी.
कवरेज अलग अलग होता है. So all there are different companies. हर एक का अपना वो होता है कि हम ये इंक्लूड करते हैं, हम ये इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं.
यू हैव अ पपी
Yeah.
जिसको पहले से ही कुछ थोड़ी सी ऐसी कुछ चीज़ है जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि फिजियोथेरेपी या ऑल्टरनेट थोड़ा जो भी है, फिजियोथेरेपी इज नॉट ऑल्टरनेट बट उसकी ज़रूरत है, यू कैन
Supportive
स्टार्ट विद
therapies,
इट.
yeah.
लेकिन कई बार क्या होता है आपके पेट को इसकी ज़रूरत 8-10 साल के बाद में लग. तो ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपके पेट के ओल्ड एज के लिए आप
You take the
प्रिपेयर
policy.
करना शुरू करें?
You take the policy when your pet is young.
हाँ.
क्योंकि एक एज के बाद पॉलिसी नया नहीं हो सकता है.
Okay.
बट दे विल
क्या है वो age?
एट द मोमेंट फॉर डॉग्स आई थिंक इट इज 6 or 7 years.
ओके.
फॉर कैट्स आई थिंक इट्स 5 or 6 years. Some again company to company
तो समझ लो 5 साल.
That also keeps changing.
Okay.
The more people need this, the more people are buying pet insurance, more and more pet insurance companies are providing benefits.
पहले जैसे वेट्स के पास MRIs नहीं होते थे, अल्ट्रासाउंड, आपके पेट को अगर आपको ये सब टेक्निक्स यूज़ करनी है तो ह्यूमंस तो उसके लिए वेट करना पड़ता था क्योंकि वो बोलेंगे नहीं अभी नहीं, बहुत बिजी हैं एंड दे यूज्ड टू बी सो रूड, और हम लोग बच्चे को लेके जा रहे हैं, वेट कर रहे हैं, आज नहीं होगा वापस लेके आओ. फिर वो पूरा उसको सैनिटाइज करते हैं, इसलिए वो लास्ट पेशेंट होता है. ऑल दैट करने के बाद अब हम उस जगह पे हैं जहाँ पे कई वेटरनेरियन क्लिनिक्स में, हॉस्पिटल्स तो हैं ही अलग कुछ, पर लेकिन एटलीस्ट ये सुविधा उपलब्ध है अभी.
Correct.
ये सब भी इंश्योरेंस कवर करता है.
Again, depends
क्योंकि
on the-
इसकी वजह से अभी नए जैसे कैंसर जो है वो अब हम डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, पहले वी कुड नॉट डिटेक्ट इट.
Correct.
तो क्या ये भी इंश्योरेंस में हम कवर कर सकते हैं?
Some policies do cover
Okay.
major illnesses, like you said, cancer. some of
Heart disease.
अलग अलग टाइप की उनकी प्लान्स होती हैं. सम आर मोर बेसिक कि सिर्फ सर्जरी कवर करेंगे, और सम होते हैं कि वेट विजिट्स और सर्जरी. तो इट्स लाइक प्रीमियम अलग होता है. सो द मोर things are covered in a particular plan, the higher the premium, of course. Most of them give you the flexibility that you can start off with a
basic plan and then
go ahead as your pet grows older.
Right.
The needs grow more.
Right.
And then you can keep going to a higher plan or get an add-on on your
Perfect.
current plan.
Nice. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Lekin, like I said, yeah, it has been wonderful to see this change coming in, and the kind of this thing that has been coming in. And so it's amazing. It's amazing what has been happening. अगर आप adopt नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसी कौन सी breeds हैं, pets हैं जो आप इंडिया में adopt कर सकते हो?
So this is going to be slightly controversial, what I'm going to tell you.
Okay. I'm very non-controversial types.
Okay.
But still.
Yeah.
Here we go into a controversy. Okay.
See, most of the popular breeds that we see, they're not suited to the Indian climate. So like huskies, these are dogs who are meant to live in like snow and ice.
Absolutely.
So Indian summers are extremely painful for them. Dogs who are like working dogs, like Labradors, they are meant to
जगह
have...
चाहिए.
Exactly.
Because that energy is there.
Yes.
German
Beagles, German Shepherds.
Or sometimes you have the sheep herding dogs.
Exactly. If you're living on a farmland, आपके पास बहुत जगह है,
तो लेके आइए.
Get a dog who can run around.
आप उनको AC दे सकते हो, लेके आइए.
Exactly. Indian dogs, which are called the Indian native dogs,
right,
which are small and sturdy and extremely hardy.
Yeah.
Or our mixed breed dogs, urban areas में ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. And the funny thing is, a lot of these Indian street dogs, they have the characteristics of like indie dogs as well as the breed. You can then see that ki they're getting the best of both worlds. Like my Fenrir, he is half Labrador, half some other indie breed or something. So he was abandoned as a 2-month puppy. Somebody threw him out on the road.
How can you throw a puppy
People can do that. People are throwing away actual breed animals. They they use the animals for breeding. And then when the animal is too old to keep on producing puppies or kittens, they throw them out on the road. Which is one of the reasons I am not a big supporter of
the breeding program.
Especially the illegal breeding.
So how do you know कि ये illegal breeders
Check their
हैं?
license. You are required to have a license for breeding by law.
Certification, birth certificate और ये सब आता है, तब वो license, breeder का license तो डालना ही पड़ता है kennel club के इसके लिए.
But not
तो मतलब
everybody
जैसे
checks
आप
that.
बच्चों के लिए birth certificate और ये सब करते हैं, you have to do all of that and get your pet
सब लोग नहीं
certified.
करते हैं ना. There are hundreds of people जिनको पता भी नहीं है कि there is a requirement like this.
Are there any legal things of which breed is allowed in the country and which is not?
Not really, not at this moment. ऐसा नहीं है अपना. But to breed them, you need the license. वो requirement है. अगर आपके पास license नहीं है, आप breed कर रहे हैं, then it's called backyard breeding, which is illegal. There are so many amazing Indian pedigree dogs. Like you have the Rajpalyam, you have the Caravan Hounds, you have bully dogs from Himachal and Punjab, and all kinds of breed dogs are there in India also.
Okay.
And they bring the amazing quality of like a greyhound or like a pit bull or something.
Yeah.
But they are still far better suited to
suited
Indian
to this
climates.
environment. लेकिन आप हिमाचल से भी अगर आप लाते हो तो वो भी तो ठंडा एरिया है और
एटलीस्ट उसको मतलब बर्फ में डेली रहने का आदत तो नहीं है
और वो कोट वैसा नहीं है.
सो यू गेट अ डॉग और अ कैट हु इज बेस्ट सूटेड, क्योंकि आप अपने लिए नहीं उसके लिए सोचो.
ये जो आप कैट्स का पेट बोर्डिंग करते हो, ये वैसे देखा जाए तो बहुत नया कॉन्सेप्ट है इंडिया में. And so how popular is it and how many people are using it? How is it growing?
Less than dogs, to be absolutely honest.
Okay. क्योंकि शायद cats are so independent into that degree, or is that a myth?
That is not a myth. As in, that is not 100% a myth. To some extent, it is. I'll come to that. To answer the question that you asked, see, cats as pets are also relatively new. In the sense कि cats have been like fed and ठीक है आते हैं जाते हैं खाना दे दिया. That has been going on.
India में I don't know about others, but I remember even as a child, हम लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि they are what do they say? They don't love you so much.
So
हमेशा कहते हैं कि वो.
So that is about socialization.
Okay.
So unless and until you socialize the cat properly, the cat will not respond.
What do you mean by socialize the cat?
Socialization is the cat needs to get used to being in your presence. The cat needs to learn to trust you. जैसे dogs का socialization होता
वो तो
है.
थोड़ा ज्यादा इजीली हो जाता है because they are like, oh, love me.
That's challenging for cats also.
Really? I
Yeah.
always thought it was more challenging for cats.
Dogs were domesticated by people. People went out and made an attempt to domesticate them.
Right.
Cats domesticated themselves.
So they are not really totally domesticated.
Ha. If properly socialized, if kept indoors, if given the kind of love and affection that they are just as affectionate as dogs.
I have two sisters, okay? Both of them are cat parent. They are not, I'm the only one who's a dog pet parent. They are cat parents and all rescue with traumas, with issues and all of that. When I go there, obviously, the thing that my sister tells me is that, for a cat, like the dog will come to you and all. She's saying, or you will call and, they'll do it. She said that for cats, you have to let them come to you. When they require the love and the attention, they will come to you, give it. After that, they're like, okay, now leave me alone. But the other thing than that is that my sister had two rescues. One scared of going out because was in a really bad shape. Both of them were in a really bad shape. But the boy has stayed at home, doesn't like going out too much, is much more socialized. But the girl was such a feisty one and she's disappeared now. And they've gone all over everywhere looking. And they're mourning. मेरे जो niece and nephew हैं, they cry waiting की. और अभी भी कहीं पे भी they hear that ये कलर का दिखाया, भाग के वो लोग जाते हैं ढूंढने के लिए. तो वो हमेशा वो कहते हैं कि cats थोड़े एहसान फरामोश होते हैं. That sort of a thing.
I don't agree with that. Again, हर एक इंसान का भी personality अलग होता है.
That's true.
हर एक animal का personality अलग होता है. कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि जैसे cat बाहर चले गए and they don't know the area, they get lost.
So that's why you're searching but can't be seen.
The statistics,
Cats getting lost?
Cat who is lost being found again, if you don't find it within 3 days, likelihood is you'll not find it ever again. They're not used to living on the streets. They're domestic cats. उनको पता ही नहीं कि survive कैसे करना है, मैं खाऊंगी क्या, गाड़ी कैसे बचना है. In all probability, it's a very sad thing. It's a heartbreaking thing for us. 3 या 4 दिन के अंदर अगर नहीं मिले, likelihood is you'll never get them back again. It's extremely, extremely rare for a lost cat to be found after that time period. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्ली एहसान फरामोश है इसलिए नहीं आ रही है. Probably the poor thing doesn't even know कैसे वापस आना है.
आप एहसान नहीं कर रहे हो. उसको खिला के उसका ख्याल रख के आप एहसान नहीं कर रहे हो. That is also our way of thinking.
Also,
and probably we need to change
if you're
that.
keeping a cat, try and keep it indoors. Unless आपके पास वो facility है कि बहुत जगह है, अपना घर है, and the cat has been trained slowly to stay within the compound. Otherwise, keep it indoors. Indoor cats live at least twice as long as cats who are allowed to go outdoors. Yeah. People have a lot of myths about how to keep cats.
Okay.
So, if you allow them to go out, there are so many dangers outside that their lifespan drastically reduces. Like I said, my 4 cats that were mentioned in the intro, they are 14 years old.
Lovely.
I have 1 cat who's 12 years old.
Okay.
So these are my original 5 seniors now.
Yeah.
The rest are all very young comparatively. So,
Right.
2 years, 3 years old. So if you keep them indoors, if you look after them properly, they shower you with as much love and affection
dogs?
as any dogs.
Okay, fine. I'll believe you. It's a little difficult to believe that anybody can love you more than a dog.
So unless you actually experience that, it's a little difficult to believe. Very true. And they show the love also in different ways. Na?
Like?
A dog will come and wag its tail and be like, ah. A cat won't do that. A cat will come to you when you're sitting quietly.
Yeah.
And maybe the cat will curl up in your lap quietly.
Yeah.
And then slightly start purring. So they are more like introverts compared to dogs.
Okay.
Or they will come and make biscuits on your leg.
What do you mean by biscuits on you? Yeah.
So it's called making biscuits. They do that when they think of you as its parent.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this is something they develop when they're kittens and they're drinking their mother's milk. So they do this. So when they're doing that to you, it means they think of you as its parent.
Lovely.
People need to be more involved with the animals around them. Whether it is through fostering, through adopting, through volunteering, or just be aware that they exist.
Okay.
सो मेनी टाइम्स क्या होता है कि लोगों को आप पूछते हो कि अच्छा वैसा डॉग देखा है, देर लाइक सो सरप्राइज कि अच्छा वैसा डॉग है भी मेरे घर के सामने रहता है. सो वी आर सो बिजी विथ आवर लाइव्स ऑल द टाइम कि हमको समझ में ही नहीं आता है कि देर आर सो मेनी ऑफ दिस लिविंग बींग्स अराउंड अस.
Right.
तो बी अवेयर ऑफ देम. Think of their lives also. Be more compassionate. Even if you're not a pet parent, अगर आपको नहीं भी अडॉप्ट करना है,
जी.
कम से कम उनका नुकसान मत कीजिए.
Correct.
They are living beings. They have as much right to live and have a happy life as you or me.
True.
And if you are comfortable, try to feed them. There's always need for feeders.
ये जो फीडिंग की आपने बात की, कई बार कोई चाहता है और करना भी चाहता है, लेकिन देर आर ह्यूज इश्यूज दैट आर देयर. लोग जो उनके नेबर्स हैं या बिजनेस एरिया है, ऑफिस एरिया है, दे विल से लुक डोंट डू दिस हियर, यू विल कलेक्ट मोर, देन दे मेक इट डर्टी. ऑल दोज थिंग्स कम इन टू प्ले. सो हाउ डू यू सेंसिटाइज एन एंटायर कम्युनिटी?
Yes, so this is exactly what we do. There are laws that say what we can do regarding community animals and what we cannot do.
How do you decide which is a community animal?
Community animal is an animal which doesn't have an owner. The
Okay.
ones we call street animals or stray animals, those are actually community animals because they belong to the whole community at large.
Okay.
They don't have specific owners. So any community animal, you cannot relocate them legally. You cannot kill them, of course. What you can do, what the law says is you can get the animal sterilized,
Okay.
vaccinated, and released back in their territory.
Okay.
Now, what we do is we work with the managements of these firms,
Okay.
of these SEZs or these business parks, to explain the law to them and to show them why, if they keep the dogs, it's beneficial for them also because
How is it beneficial for
the
them?
dogs work as security guards.
Right.
This is something that benefits them if they follow the law. As it is, they have to follow the law.
What about
right?
cats? The same law applies to them also?
Cats are excellent pest control. No, it's not a joke. Do you know that the British Navy used to actually hire cats and give them eye
For
cards?
their ships.
Yes.
I remember.
Yeah, so they would have eye cards that said, Chief Mouser or something.
Mouse catcher.
Yes. So they are amazing at pest control,
Yeah.
And if they're doing the pest control, you don't even have to feed them. They're
Yeah.
feeding themselves. Very low maintenance.
Yeah.
We work with the management to tell them what is the legal way in which everybody benefits. We get the dogs sterilized so that they don't reproduce and population stays within control. We ensure that they are fed regularly so
Right.
that they are not aggressive.
Right.
Because an hungry dog
Is an aggressive
angry
dog.
dog. 80% of dog bite incidents in this country are provoked. Provoked in the sense that, say a dog is sleeping, somebody will go and kick the dog. Of course the dog is going to react, right?
He's scared.
Or a dog is sitting there and a person will start running. What is the dog supposed to do?
Because you're playing.
The dog has been trained that anybody who runs away is a thief or a criminal.
Either playing or they're thinking that they're doing
Yeah,
protecting.
it's their instinct, right? To protect.
Right.
So we sensitize them to these matters. What to do, what not to do. If a dog is doing XYZ, say it's barking. If there are two groups of dogs who are barking at each other, what do you as the human beings in the area do? Simply avoid them and go away calmly as far as you can. They'll resolve their own issues.
Okay.
Don't go in between. If you try to go in between,
Accident
exactly.
can happen.
Because at the end of the day, where are the dogs going to go? Have to coexist with them without either party hurting the other.
Nicely said, nicely done. I think it was a very enlightening session for me because I think मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है आज in that sense. हमें लगता है कि इतने सालों से pets हैं ये that you know, but every time you learn something new. और वही तो आइडिया है इस पॉडकास्ट का कि हम साथ में मिले और मेरे साथ साथ आप भी कुछ नया सीख के जाइए. So that wraps up today's episode. A huge thank you to our special guest, Rita Bhattacharjee. Thank you so much for sharing your insights and your expertise with us, and the advice you gave is invaluable. Remember guys, adopting a pet, supporting rescue efforts, and securing pet insurance are all steps that contribute to the well-being of animals and ensure they receive the love and care they deserve. Until next time, keep cherishing your pets and making informed decisions for their health and happiness. Thank you all for tuning in. If you have enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Check out our YouTube channel, Rosepod India, for more exciting content, and stay tuned for more exciting episodes. Thank you so much.